Ya yi kyau abu sosai.
Enhance public safety and raise the quality of life of our people. They also demonstrate the government determination to ensure across the state senatorial force of the state and
alƙali ga gwamnan ka alƙali ga gwamnan ka alƙali da alƙali ga gwamnan ka ga muka gwamnan ka alƙali da alƙali ya kike mu mai girma gwamnati
Ya yi kyau. Ya yi kyau bura. Ya yi kyau bura sosai ɗan bura ba.
Enhance public safety and raise the quality of life of our people. They also demonstrate the government determination to ensure across the state senatorial force of the state
DG dan alƙali ya gama aiki. alƙali ga gwamnan ka alƙali ga gwamnan ka alƙali da alƙali ga gwamnan ka ga muka gwamnan ka alƙali da alƙali ya kike mu mai girma gwamnati
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد Right Honorable Speaker, Address the House of Assembly, Distinguished Senator Senator Dangwiti, members of the State Assembly, staff, chairman of our great party APC, and members of the State Working Committee of the party, Honorable Commissioner, Ministry of Works and Housing, and other honorable commissioners, special advisors, senior special assistants, other heads of various government agencies, permanent secretaries, the district head of Bakuri Makama Kazaram, and the district head of Ziga, chairman of the stakeholders prominent indigenous distinguished electoral sons and daughters of Bakuri local government, heads of security agencies, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I also want to recognize our host, the chairman of Bakuri local government and other local government chairmen that are here. Today's profound gratitude to Almighty Allah. I stand before you today at this groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of 9 township roads in Bakuri local government area. I warmly welcome all the distinguished representatives of traditional rulers, religious leaders, community representatives, party leaders and members of the State Executive Council, legislators and members of government partners, and the good people of Bakuri and Bakuri local government who gathered here today witness this important event. Today marks a significant step in our administration unwavering commitment to delivering quality infrastructure, improving the lives of our people. We are here to commence and formally commence the construction of 9 township roads in Bakuri, covering the length of 6.6 kilometers, complete with solar power grid lines, and a total construction sum of 6.1 billion naira. The project will be executed by Northern Council Limited under the supervision of Qatar State Ministry of Works, Housing and Transport. Since our being in office, our administration has pursued an ambitious and comprehensive development agenda for transforming Qatar State through strategic investment in infrastructure, health, agriculture and water supply, security and youth empowerment. In the road sector alone, our administration has initiated and completed numerous projects across the 3 senatorial zones, and we have undertaken the construction and rehabilitation, upgrading of our urban and rural roads for connectivity. Novel among those interventions are the ongoing renewal program in Katsina, Gauda, and Funtua, as well as construction and rehabilitation of major linking roads across our state. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the project we are launching today is particularly important because it addresses the long-standing need of the people of Bakuri local government for many years. Residents have expressed concern over the condition of roads within the township and the challenges associated with transportation, especially during the rainy season. The construction of these 9 roads will provide a durable and modern road infrastructure that will significantly improve access